The Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Well, an active day in the weather department. Take a look at this video that was sent in from Shannon Daughtry over in Lawrence County, Illinois. It appears to be a funnel cloud, definitely some ominous clouds showing up in the background of that video. Is taken near the Sun and Sand subdivision. We spoke with the emergency management official over in Lawrence County, Illinois. An eyewitness report to a brief touchdown damaging a few campers in that camping site near Sun and Sands. Some power lines down, some tree limbs down. Of course, waiting on confirmation from the emergency management office themselves over in Lawrence County. We've had more pictures sent in as we had some stronger rains move through Knox County of flooding. We had a report just around the Vincennes area that we had flooding. Nearly 1.5 to 2 inches of rain fell in just a 20-minute span of time. There is not a flash flood warning in effect right now, but I would treat it as if it is with all of that rain in a short period of time. Of course, those are photos that you see sent in. Knox County Emergency Management just let us know that they are going to be issuing a travel warning, especially along county roads, because of very high water that has washed out many locations, as you can see in those photos shown right there. We need to get to a new tornado warning that was just issued for portions of Jasper County, Illinois. This is an ongoing tornado warning that was for Richland County. As you can see, the part of the storm that does have the rotation, that's right here where there are some greens and some reds showing up on the radar. It's moving off to the north, slightly off to the northwest. And with that, the National Weather Service office over in Lincoln, Illinois has put out a new tornado warning. That is for Jasper County, southern portions of the county, as this again continues to track quite slowly around 15 to 20 miles per hour off to the northwest. We'll take a look at the image here as we zoom in a little closer. We'll actually put a tracker on it as it is moving off to the northwest here. Tracker looks like it's going to be impacting the city of Newton here within the next few minutes, around 20 minutes or so, according to the radar. There is some very weak rotation. There were a few funnel cloud reports coming out of the Olney area. It is now clear of the Olney area, but this is again something we're going to be closely monitoring as that new warning has just been issued from Illinois again for Jasper and Richland counties until 6 o'clock Central Time. Looking at the rest of the radar here, you can see we still have some of those stronger cells that are moving through northern portions of Knox and Daviess counties. This is where we were looking at earlier today, where there was a little bit of rotation earlier on. That is not the case anymore. In fact, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the past 45 minutes or so. So no longer looking at rotation within this area right here. But taking a step out, you can see this leading edge of the line is actually lifting off to the north, and that's where we have some reports of some flooding. That's what we're going to be keeping an eye on, flooding, as there is a flash flood warning in effect for most of our Illinois counties through this evening, in addition to a flash flood watch for everyone if you're south of that I-70 corridor, and a flood advisory over near Mattoon. So just to reiterate again, we do have that ongoing tornado warning at this point for Richland County into Jasper County, as there is some very weak rotation still showing up on the radar at this time. Keep that rain gear handy for the rest of the evening. An eye on the sky, as well as showers and storms will continue to lift northward through the valley. 74 at 7 p.m., 72 at 9 o'clock, and 71 by 11. This is what's responsible for the storms that are passing through today. That center of low pressure, the remnants of Tropical Storm Bill. You can see the rain that's lifting northward through the valley now is in the outer bands of this system. That's why there has been a little bit more rotation with the storms today as compared to what we have seen so far this week. Nothing is going to produce a very strong tornado. If we do see the rotation, it's going to be a very brief spin-up tornado. It'll last a very short amount of time and then quickly lift and move on. We'll time out the rest of our evening tonight here 7 o'clock as this line will continue to lift off to the north through about the 9 o'clock hour. Most of us in the valley experiencing heavy pockets of rain through the rest of our night tonight. It will keep those showers around through the overnight, putting us into Saturday morning. Folks that have Saturday plans, though, this is actually going to move out for us. pretty early in the morning. Here 7 a.m. could see a few spotty showers with this, but by about midday heading to the afternoon, here's 5 o'clock, that rain's going to be long gone by the late afternoon and into the evening. We'll even see a little bit of sunshine as we head through the rest of our Saturday forecast. So for tonight, showers and storms will be likely. 7-day outlook keeps more dry time in the forecast as the remnants of that tropical storm look to track even farther off to the south. And then temperatures heat up this weekend, 85 on Saturday, 89 on Sunday. Weather quiz question for today. We are talking about flash flood warnings for a good portion of the valley and heavy rain leading to flooding. So if we do see flash flooding, how many inches of rain does it need to take a car and lift it away? Is it 12 inches, 14 inches, or 16 inches?
And again, Lindsay, it's Richland County that has a warning for another 11 minutes. Is that correct?
Right. Richland and Jasper County was actually extended until 6 o'clock Central Time, so another 40 minutes or so for Jasper County. Of course, we'll keep a close eye on that radar and bring those updates to you in just a little bit.
Well, thank you for your hard work. Nice job. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.